Firecrawl claims to be the best AI web scraping tool out there, but does it really deliver? In a world filled with data, having the right tool can make all the difference. So let's dive into what Firecrawl offers and see if it lives up to the hype. Firecrawl is designed to simplify web scraping, allowing users to extract data from websites effortlessly. The platform utilizes AI to enhance the scraping process, which is particularly appealing for those who may not have a technical background. At first glance, the interface looks user-friendly, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for more experienced users. One of the standout features is its ability to handle dynamic websites, which can often be a headache for traditional scraping tools. Firecrawl also supports scheduling and automation, which can save a lot of time for users needing regular dates. However, while it sounds promising, there's a lack of detailed documentation on how to set up more complex scrapes, which could leave some users feeling a bit lost. Overall, Firecrawl seems to cater to various audiences from marketers to researchers, yet it still has some areas that feel a bit vague, especially regarding advanced functionalities. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Firecrawl's AI capabilities and user-friendly interface are definitely appealing. It's great for those who want to get up and running quickly without getting bogged down in technical jargon. The automation features can also be a huge time saver. However, there are some drawbacks. The lack of comprehensive documentation can be frustrating, particularly for users trying to execute more complex scraping tasks. Additionally, some users might be concerned about the pricing structure, which isn't fully transparent. It's unclear what features are included in different tiers, which can lead to confusion. For those who are just starting out or need straightforward data extraction, Firecrawl could be a good fit. But if you're looking for something more robust with clear guidance, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Firecrawl has a lot going for it, especially for beginners looking for an AI-driven scraping tool. However, the lack of clarity in documentation and pricing might deter more advanced users. If you fit into the beginner category or need simple data extraction, it's worth trying. But do keep your expectations in check.